List all the possible rational zeros for the given polynomial, then use synthetic division to locate one of the zeros. Use the quotient to find the remaining zeros. So first, to find all our possible rational zeros, we'll do P over Q. So our P is our -6, and our Q is the coefficient of the first term, which in this case is +1. So our P is -6. All the factors of -6 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. All the factors of Q, which is 1, is just plus or minus 1. So then P over Q, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6, all over plus or minus 1. This one's simple because our Q is just, so our possible rational zeros are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6. There are 8 possible rational zeros. Now, we need to use synthetic division to find one of them, which will just be a guess and check. So let's try -1. So use synthetic division. We have 1, -6, 11, and -6. Drop our 1 down. -1 times 1, -1. Add those together, -7, and then +7, 18, -18, -24. So x equals -1 is not a 0 because we have a remainder of -24. Let's try +1. Drop down our 1. 1 times 1 is 1, -5, -5, 6, 6, and 0. X equals 1 is a 0, and so our factor is x minus 1. So now we can use that to find the remaining zeros. So if we write our factor like that, that means we divided our initial f of x, our initial polynomial, by x minus 1. And what we're left with is the result of the synthetic division, x squared minus 5x plus 6. And then we can just factor this quadratic right there. X minus 1, factor that, we get x minus 2, x minus 3. So our zeros are 1, 2, and 3.